Hey guys, so I'm packing for my trip home. I am heading home tomorrow morning, so I really need to pack. Like this is very last minute, but I just like organized my room because I wanted things to be everywhere. I did laundry and all of that, and I'm actually going to pack my actual box. So I'm going to start with my toiletries and hair care stuff. I actually just got this bag, this like toilet bag basically from Walmart. Like, it's so amazing. So this is how big it is. It's so big, has so many compartments and like everything. I literally just got it from Walmart, and I'm so happy I bought this because I need to pack a bunch of stuff in here. So this is gonna be all my like necessities and toiletries and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start with that, so I just know that they're out of the way. And it has like another little pack in here. It has straps that you can like put bottles in. This is a good purchase. I'm very excited. So I'm going to start by packing the bigger stuff because like there's like the strings in here and I want to be able to put them in there. So I have my bath wash, my face wash, and then just more face stuff, face care stuff. Deodorant, of course, a body spray, my toner, makeup remover, perfume. I'm trying to leave space for my hair stuff because this is gonna also fit in my hair stuff. My conditioner, curling jelly, twist defining cream, all that stuff. Because I'm gonna take my braids out there, so yeah, I need all of this stuff, unfortunately. So this is already full. I thought it was bigger than this, but like I still have so much more to put in. We're gonna have to figure this out. So I don't need you. Alright, so I'm gonna start filling out this part because with like little things like my toothbrush, toothpaste in here, shaving stuff, and I'm just gonna pile stuff on top wherever there's space. So we're done with toiletries and skincare and hair care and all that stuff, thank God. So now I'm gonna move on to makeup. I don't have a lot of makeup, so it's not gonna be this bad. Alright, so this is my makeup tray and my makeup bag. So I'm just going to put all my necessities in here. So this is actually my favorite makeup remover. I love it so much. I think it's so good. It's just a Neutrogena. I just really like it. And then they give you like this box, and you basically just have to buy the stuff to refill them. And so this one's almost done, so I'm just going to have this at the bottom and this at the top and just have them in there together. Foundation, primer, my concealers, eyebrow pencils, eyebrow gel, mascaras, lip liner, eyeliner, all my brushes, sponge, setting spray, lipsticks, and lip gloss, is eyeshadow palette, my setting powder. I think that's it. Yeah, that's all. So makeup is basically done. Zip that up. Perfect. So we're done with makeup and toiletries and hair care and all that stuff. And now we're gonna move on to clothes and shoes. I just did laundry, and so I have a bunch of stuff in the basket. So what I'm gonna do is just to like start taking things out, and if I'm taking it, I'm just gonna fold it and put it in my box. And if I'm not taking it out, fold it and put it where it's meant to be, in my drawers or something. all packed, but like I literally have like 5 minutes before I have to leave. So my room is not the best. Like I really wanted to like make sure that it was clean and everything, but like it's fine. You saw the snacks in that box. I look like a crazy person with all that snacks, but it's for a video that's actually gonna come up soon, so stay tuned for that video. You guys will probably have an idea of what it is, but that's why I'm taking all these snacks. I'm not crazy. And yeah, I'm about to head out. My 2 suitcases that I'm taking, and my backpack, and this duffel bag, and I still have laundry there. I can't spend time on that right now. I took some stuff out of my box because it was too heavy, but then my room is just like, my room is kind of, it's clean, it's organized. So I have all my clothes organized in my closet as well. Sounds good. All that stuff is really disorganized because I was trying to figure out what to take. So I'm just gonna leave it that way as well, unfortunately. I'm gonna be gone for a month, so I need to like water my plants before I go, if not they're gonna die. So let's do this. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this like pack with me / clean with me video. I'll see you guys in my next one, and I will be in Nigeria by then. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Peace and strength.